everyone, welcome to the zoo. Today we're going on a fun adventure to meet some amazing animals. Are you ready? Let's go! First up, let's visit the monkey house. Look at those cheeky monkeys hanging from the branch. They use their long, strong tails to help them grab things and swing through the trees. Next, let's check out the flamingos. These beautiful birds are known for their bright pink feathers and their graceful poses. Did you know they stand on one leg to keep warm? It's like their own special yoga pose. Now let's visit the elephants. Elephants are the largest land animals, and they're very gentle. Look how they use their trunks to spray water and play with each other. They love to stay cool and have fun. Time to say hello to the pandas. These adorable bears spend most of their day eating bamboo and napping. They're super cute and a little bit sleepy. Finally, let's visit the giraffes. Giraffes have the longest necks of any animal, and they use them to reach the highest leaves on the trees. They're so tall and elegant. Thanks for joining us on this amazing zoo adventure. We've met some fantastic animals today, and we hope you had as much fun as we did. Remember, every day at the zoo is a new adventure. See you next time.